How do you delete a Facebook page? Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to delete a Facebook page on your phone step by step. It's a process Facebook doesn't make obvious. It's not easy to do this on your own. In this video, I'll show you the entire process. Like these kinds of videos, we've got more like this on the channel. Subscribe and hit that like button. I'm always making videos to help you guys out. Alright folks, let's get started. I'm opening Facebook now. Next, you'll tap up here, guys. Then tap on the Pages option, this flag icon. Pages. I've clicked on Pages. Now choose the page you want to delete. I've got several pages here. I'll pick one to delete. I've selected the page. It asks if you want to switch to this page. You need to confirm. Click Switch to change pages. I've switched to the page I want to delete. We're almost there, folks. Click on these 3 lines at the top. Scroll down. Click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Click on Page Settings again. Scroll down. Now click here, folks. Access and Control. Manage Data, Modify, Delete Page. The process is hidden, not easy to find. Finally, you can delete your page. It gives you other options here. You can also deactivate the page. Deactivate it, change your mind, reactivate it. You can also unpublish the page temporarily. Only you and page managers can see it then. Others can't see it. Remember, deletion is permanent, folks. Once deleted, you can't undo it. So in this case, it's page deletion. I'll click Continue here. Here, choose why you're deleting your page. Then click below to continue. Here are options to save posts, view activity logs, and download page info if needed. Then folks, just click Continue to delete. Enter your password and click Continue to confirm page deletion. Remember, you can support us by clicking Thanks and donating any amount. Did you manage it? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.